Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family. It's your girl Maria.
And the Island boy Africa.
Anyways guys, we're just having a little laugh at Island. He's being cheeky as usual.
Yeah.
So anyways, we just wanted to quickly come on here and say thank you so much to the person that has given us this gift.
Or not donated, I should say.
It's a gift.
It's a gift. Yeah, so
Thank you so much for your lovely gift.
Yeah.
You want to remain anonymous and we completely understand and respect that.
Yeah.
So we just wanted to say thank you so very much for your gift, and now we're ready to open.
Yeah.
Ready to
open? Let's show them.
Let's show.
Yeah.
This one, and babe, you'll explain what it is and what we're doing, why.
Yeah. So this guy is right here. Is a camera bag. So basically we can put our drone in it, we can put our camera, batteries, any stuff like that you know, our camera gears, you understand?
Heaven sent, guys.
Yeah,
heaven sent.
because we did a video recently where we went to a camera store and we look at all the bags and all that, you know. We just really went like eye shopping and just browsing to see what they have and stuff. And you know, one of our subscriber, one of our big, you know, tribe member, you know,
the Island tribe.
Yeah, you know, so she got this for us, guys, and we're very thankful. You understand? So no more, even the drone, when we even taking out the drone, we have to bring it in a box.
In a box.
Because we still don't have a case for it.
The box that it came with.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, so we really wanted this, and we're so grateful now.
Yeah.
We are planning a little something.
Because we also getting another camera as well.
We are getting another camera. Do you want to share that? Okay, so we shared it. Doesn't matter.
But they don't know what kind of camera yet.
We don't know. Yeah, exactly. So you'll see it when we unpack it and you know, reveal it. But yeah, so we decided we wanted to upgrade our cameras. Yeah. So now we are upgrading, and also this bag is going to help us for our traveling that we're planning to do.
Definitely.
So we're going to have babe or me carry this as a backpack, and it's
all
right
the
there.
Gears in it.
Everything's going to be right there for us. So easy to just click, clack, and bang, and that's it.
Definitely.
You know, we're ready to roll.
Definitely.
So yeah, just really quickly show you inside.
Lots of compartments.
This is from Amazon, guys. So it was on one of our wish lists.
Yeah.
So this is from the wish list, guys.
Yeah.
So this, I'm guessing cameras or even pens or passports or something could go there.
Yeah, any little thing.
And then we have, it's very secure, as you can see as well, for all those other YouTube vloggers that are looking for a nice camera bag.
Look at that.
Yeah, guys, so our drone can fit in there, our camera gears,
batteries and all that,
GoPros, everything that we have. With the I'm not too sure how much it was, because obviously it was a gift. It was on the wish list on Amazon, but you can just type up camera bags on Amazon and this brand should come up, okay?
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, this is it. So thank you so much. I'm so happy. This is something we really needed, guys. Like, honestly, it was something that we definitely needed. So thank you so very much. Really appreciate it. Blessings, guys. As you can see, Island's teething, so I'm about to give him some Panadol now. And all right, guys. Bye. Say bye, Island. Bye. So right now we're just sitting in the car, obviously. We've purchased a new camera, so we're just looking for a tripod for this camera so that we can hold it and, you know, enjoy every little bit of it without having to scratch it or any of that. So yeah, guys, so we're just gonna go in here in the store and have a look for one of these tripods, and hopefully we find a really good thing. And you guys are coming along with us. So yeah, and today I think we may be cutting Island's hair, guys. He needs a bit of a cut, so yeah, that's all we really plan to do today. So yeah, join us for the adventure.
Yeah, man. We on the roll now.
Let's go now.
So what's this? Where are we now, babe?
Harvey Norman in Lismore, guys.
Alright.
Harvey Norman.
Yeah, so
they sell all like lovely electronics and stuff, guys.
oh shit.
That's okay.
Yeah. Sometimes, guys, we don't really want to point the camera at anyone random, you know, so we just turn the camera, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah.
And that's what we do.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You can get all the appliances and everything here.
Yeah.
Baby, you're wearing a beautiful dress. Yeah, nice.
I got my nails done, guys.
Yeah, beautiful. They sell like tripods and all this.
Yeah,
these things here.
Cameras.
Okay.
Laptops, all that sort of stuff.
Oh.
I'm sure we can film it.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be a big deal.
Should be. All the phones and your tablets and laptops and everything is here, guys.
Definitely. Yeah. So I think your GoPros and your tripods.
Oh, over there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So we'll have to have a look.
Yeah.
Just have a look, guys.
Alright, let's go. Oh yeah, there's some cameras here, guys.
Ooh, what's this?
Yeah.
Ooh, the drones.
These drones, yeah. I've never seen this one before. It's a DJI too.
Yeah, Mavic Air.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, the drone, guys. Yeah. One day I'm gonna own this one.
Yeah.
It's gonna be major. But we in no rush. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, they have the Gorilla Pods. Yeah. Which I think it's best we take the Gorilla Pod, because it's also, for example, we're outside or whatever, we can even wrap it around a tree.
Oh,
you know,
really?
so it's more versatile.
How
And it's
much
still
was it? How much was it at the other place though?
60 something.
Oh really? And it was a Gorilla Pod.
Yeah.
That's a really good.
And this one is a 3K. The one that he showed me is a 1K, and it's a 1K and it costs like $100. And this one is 3K. This one is 3K and it costs $80.
Okay, then maybe we'll take this one then.
Yeah. Do we want a big one or a small one? They don't have any small one. I don't see any small one. They have the Canon G7X here too. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
That's the one we got, guys.
Yeah, this is the one we actually got.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got, guys.
Nikon. I have a Nikon as well, a D5100. This one is can't read. Oh, Nikon. Oh, D50. 56.
$20, a bigger pod.
Oh, $20. Oh, but this one don't work like that.
No, I know. I'm talking about. Hi, how you going?
What's up?
Hello, how can we help,
Good.
guys?
Just having a look at the moment. We're just looking at some tripods and
Yeah.
Now there you go. You look
GoPro
away
stuff.
all you want.
Okay, cheers, thank you. So guys, we're gonna go with the Gorilla Pod. It was 169. It's now 82. Yeah.
So yeah, good thing we came to this place because it's cheaper here. Even though we have a computer now, guys, but we just still like to check out these things. There are some small ones. MacBook Pro. Okay, and look at the prices on these guys. See that? 2,699. Very expensive.
Yeah, looks like I don't know what brand that
Yeah,
is.
it doesn't show.
Doesn't show.
Anyway, it's nice to see these things, guys. Samsung phone that that babe talk about.
Crap.
Yeah. That's what she says.
They are. What are you talking about? Yes, they are.
Alright. What we have here now? Oh, it's like, oh, this one is the one that we
Look,
looked at.
guys, I would probably invest in a Samsung, but it'd have to be one of these ones.
Yeah.
For some reason, I just love the style.
Yeah.
Love the style. And these ones, like, are the flip phones.
Yeah, I remember seeing that one. I wasn't really interested.
Yeah, you weren't interested in this one. I'm like, damn. Yes, here it is.
Yeah. So many different So many different ways they're creating phones.
So where's
now.
the, yeah. Where's the camera though? Babe, do you know how to work this?
There's the camera. That red one. This one.
This one?
Yeah.
How do you flip it?
Yeah, it looks pretty. It looks pretty.
Not with a mask.
Oh, let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, guys, we got the Gorilla Pod.
Yeah, we got it.
Yeah. So yeah, man. Babe gonna be using that camera a lot more than me, you know?
Oh, whatever.
Yeah. I'm a GoPro guy, you know?
Whatever.
Yeah.
You're a GoPro guy.
Yeah. Are you ready for your haircut, mister? Eh? Are you ready or what? Yeah, it's only been cut once, guys. Well, a little bit.
Little trim.
Yeah, a little bit was taken off. But it wasn't really noticeable, you know, so.
It's still gonna be a little trim, not
Yeah, not too much. We want Bubba to have his curls, you know? That everybody is so fascinated with.
That's right,
Yeah.
guys.
Literally, Island gets so much attention, guys. It's crazy. You wouldn't even imagine. Like, he stands out everywhere he goes. No matter how many kids are there, Island really stands out of everybody. Everybody pays him so much attention. Yeah. Ain't that right, Bobo?
Yes, sir.
Ain't that right, mister?
Yes, sir.
Look at him. Look at him. Hi. Hey, waving to the fans, to the fams. The tribe, I should say. Hey, Bobo. Oh, my God, you're so cute.
He's a cutie patootie, guys.
Yeah,
But he's a trouble too these days.
tell ya.
He woke up this morning at 3 o'clock in the morning and he wouldn't go back to
Oh
bed.
my God, it was a nightmare.
And it was, yeah. So I
He
look
was
a bit
very
tired,
uncomfortable.
that's why.
He was very uncomfortable. I think probably his teeth in our, yeah.
Yep. So guys, really quick, I am so happy that the person that bought us this bag, like literally, you're number one, girl.
Yeah.
Let me tell you.
It comes in really handy.
Comes in really handy. So this is the bag, guys. We've got our drone, we got our camera gears in there. Island, we're going now, Bubba. We're going now, sweetheart. And yeah,
Show them down in it.
got our camera gears, battery,
And the brand new.
camera. Yeah, G7X, guys.
Yeah, so, alright.
Yeah.
Alright, so
Christmas
this-
has come early for us in respects to we've wanted to always upgrade our cameras. We've always wanted to upgrade the cameras, so you know, why not? I mean, we use them. We're going to be using them a lot for our traveling dues.
Definitely.
So you know, we don't want to spill out too much, but yeah.
So this, they're gonna place it in here. It's supposed to screw in. Just like that. Oops. Yeah. Alright guys, and you need you even screw it more or less, so it go to the side like that, and then you just use that to control. You know what I mean? You get it that way and all of that. You can get it like that. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's very handy, but it's gonna also attract a lot of people because it's more huge, you know. So yeah, you ready for it, baby?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Look at that camera, sick. That guys.
So that's us.
Yeah, man.
Have a look. Yo.
Nice.
GoPro meet Canon.
I tell ya. Real.
So yeah. Alright guys. Stay cool and stay blessed and all of the above. Bye. Bye, Island. Say bye. Bye to the people then. Hey guys, so just quickly testing this out just to see what's up. Hang on. Here we go. Hey! It's your Island family, guys.
Yeah.
Island tribe. What's up?
So vibe, quality perfect. You can even tap on the screen and it just focus.
So guys, we're using the camera, big camera, and little Bobo's gonna get his hair trimmed.
Yeah.
So we should all like that he doesn't lose his curls.
For real.
That should be right.
Yeah, I doubt you will.
Yeah.
Hey boo boo, Island boy, smile. Hey guys, so we're at the shopping center now, guys.
Turn the camera up way.
Huh? Yeah. Not really.
Why? You don't want to?
No, I'm just saying.
Why?
I don't need to know how I look, you know?
I do. Always. Hey, Island. Don't we? We both need to look at it. Nah, he's good. We both need to see each other. Hey, mister?
Can I sign in? Or we're good?
No, we're good. We're good. We're just doing a little walkthrough. Hey? What are you thinking about? What are you doing?
Thinking about brum brum. That's what he's thinking about. Papa Island, Papa Island. Look at that smile.
Look at that smile. Big smiles. You ready to get your hair cut? Hey? You ready? You ready? Alright, we'll give Daddy this one.
Yeah. So you guys say, I've seen a few people commented saying that they don't see anybody at the shopping center, saying Australia look lonely.
Yeah.
How is
Where
that?
we are.
I'm
There's
sure you
so
can
many
see people behind us right now. You know what I mean? So it's not every time we try to get people on camera, we try to, you know, because we have to respect people's privacy at the end of the day.
That's right,
You know,
guys.
so
Yeah.
so this is where we're going, guys.
So guys, we're just here waiting for Island to get his first fully haircut.
Yeah.
It's not going to be like a real big haircut. It's just going to be like a little trim, just to fix him up a little bit.
Edges.
Yeah.
A little off the top, right?
Yeah. So fingers crossed, guys, it works out good. Yeah. So just waiting because of COVID. We have to wait outside. We can't stay inside. So yeah, that's what we're doing.
Yeah.
That's up.
Yeah.
Island, it's alright. Oh.
We'll sit next to him.
Yeah.
Comfort him.
Island. Sorry.
Alright, sitting down, darling. Are you alright? You okay? We're going to get a quick haircut. It's okay. Oh, maybe another day then? Maybe another day? Yeah, the top part, just like a little trim.
Try it out.
Just at the top.
See if we can.
Hey! Okay.
Go away, lady.
Oh, it's good.
It's down. Look. Yeah, that's okay. Look, it's fine.
Sorry.
It's alright. You're gonna remember this when you're 18. Guys, my first baby's haircut. Yay! Just a little trim, guys.
Island.
Hey! Oh.
This is little Bobo now, guys. Let me get the balloon out of the way. Island. Look, you know you're smiling all of a sudden, huh? You were so scared.
Guys, he was so
Imagine if it
scared.
was a shear, like, imagine if they were actually shaving his ear with a shear. That would have been crazy.
Absolutely.
Island. Oh, all right, it's okay. Island.
Island.
Island boy. Hello, mister. Hi. Hi. Island. Island, Papa Island. Bobo. Hello. Island. Smile. Yeah, so you can see all the Christmas decoration now, guys.
Christmas guys is coming through.
Yeah.
Does candles.
Oh,
These are all candle wax.
okay.
Wax lanterns.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Oh,
So it's
interesting.
a nice little Christmas gifts for people and stuff.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Because these never were here before.
No.
Yeah. It's all decorated now, guys. Beautiful. You have like the food court section down here.
So people saying that there's no people around.
Yeah.
Have fish eyes on the people.
I tell you. Oh my god. So we have just gone to the toilet, guys, and I'm here in the, what you call it, parents' room, basically. You know, so even these things are so new to me, like they actually have a parents' room, you know, just to have a couch. That's what it looks like. Parents' room, guys. That's what we're having, guys. Subway, you know? Not the trainway, but the subway.
Yeah, not the tramway with subway.
So this is a subway, guys. Look at that.
It's nice, guys.
Yeah.
Bobo's really fussy today.
Yeah, Island been really fussy.
Probably his teeth again.
Yeah, because from early this morning, 3 o'clock, we couldn't really get a good rest. So yeah, Island been really fussy, guys.
Very fussy.
Yeah. Hey, Bobo. Island boy.
Anyway, parenting.
It's never easy. It's never easy, guys, but we do our best, you know?
That's it.
Can I wave? Hi.
I was waving at all the YouTubers.
Yeah. Alright.
Island boy. Island boy. Island boy.
You looking at movies? Movies?
Island boy. Island boy.
Look at you.
Cause you're an island boy and you're trying to make it.
You're an island boy.
So guys, I think that's a wrap for the day. Island's being so naughty today. I think I've just grew 100 grey hairs. Island boy, cause you're an island boy. Island boy. Island boy. Dada, dada.
What? These are camels, guys. You guys have camel in Australia?
I didn't know. This
What?
is the first time. You want to get out of the camera?
Yeah.
Aww. Hi.
What? Never seen this.
Wow. Wow.
What are they doing with them? They have heaps of
Yeah, I want to
stuff.
ask them.
Oh, there are the guys. That's.
What are you doing with them?
We've just walked them across Australia, from Western Australia to
You-
Byron Bay.
You just
Whoa.
walk them? Really?
Over a year.
Over a year? Oh, wow, amazing.
Walk them across Australia?
Yeah, over a year.
What?
From Western Australia.
What's that all about? Just what? That's crazy.
That's the first time I've seen that.
I've never seen that before. That's crazy, guys.
Crazy.
We didn't have to go to a zoo for that. That's crazy. I thought we'd have to go to Egypt and all that to see camel. What?
Wow.
That's crazy, man.
They just walk. That's amazing. I wonder why they did that.
I wonder.
'Cause camels have to walk.
Yeah.